You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. I know it confuses a lot of people because of this very specific spelling with a Y, but it's the same pronunciation as the name with an I. Smyth, yes, the person that forges iron. Smyth. Smyth is how to pronounce it. English pronunciation, how to pronounce Smyth. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.